Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, once you come into Canada, you know that before arrival itself, you have to submit your information, travel information using ArriveCAN. That makes your process and life very simple. So once you come in and you go for your mandatory 14 days quarantine, still you have to provide daily update of your symptoms. So that still there are two ways to do. You can either use the ArriveCAN app or you can use the phone. There's a phone number specified on the government website, but I still would say you should go for this ArriveCAN option because this is very simple and it hardly takes a few seconds. So in front of you, I have shown you this screenshot of the front page of ArriveCAN app. Once you come in, so you can see there's a link straight away, complete your daily check-in. So there'll be some terms and condition. You need to select yes and click next. It asks here you have the traveler names, that do you have any of these symptoms. Based on your answer, it's going to give you next option, but because you select no, then that's it. You thanks for completing today's self check-in, and then next comes in like tomorrow again. I mean next day you'll again have to do it for next 14 days. So that's how simple it is guys, and it works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes to your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.